Fox Nation is Fox News' streaming platform, priced at either $7.99 if you bill it monthly or $5.99 if you bill it annually. And it's built for diehard Fox fans, fans of Fox personalities and conservative programming. Now, for that price, you get on-demand access to next-day Fox shows, original documentaries, and exclusive live shows and specials from names like Kevin Costner, Dennis Quaid, Rob Schneider, Rob Lowe. You'll also find niche content, true crime, faith-based series, lifestyle shows, and even outdoor programming. Plus, the offline downloads make it easy to watch on the go. Here's the trade-off. You don't get live Fox News, and much of the catalog leans heavily on opinion-driven content rather than breaking news. Some users complain that many daily shows are audio-only or recycle or older material, and there are no parental controls, which limits family use a fair bit. Real users are divided. Fans say that it's a good value for the extras, especially for documentaries and behind-the-scenes specials. But critics point to missing visuals, limited fresh programming, and episodes expiring way too quickly. One even said, if I wanted radio, I'd subscribe to Sirius. Bottom line is, if you're a super Fox fan who wants bonus content and exclusive docs, it's worth the $6. But if you're after live news or a wider mix of entertainment, you may be better off elsewhere. Have you tried it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.